You know, a Friday night football game in Molalla is the biggest event going on maybe in the year's time.
All the parents together, all of the kids together.
The nice thing about our facility is that it's used for more than football games or track meets. It's a center that we can meet for community events.
Football, soccer, flag football.
The youth camp that we already put on in this facility and how a better facility will allow us to do that more often.
We have a great facility, but where we are lacking is in the actual surface itself.
A lot of times when you're on grass, you get a lot of mud holes and pits and things where guys twist ankles and get hurt.
There's a huge safety aspect to it, right? When you have surface wear down especially on the track, it gets really slippery. Starting blocks don't stay in the track. Track spikes don't work.
With the sloppiness of the field, it puts us at a disadvantage when we go other places and they have turf and we don't, or we practice on a non-turf field, but then we have a game on a turf field. It's just a different playing surface.
I think of growing up here, I had a bowling alley that's not here anymore. I had some parks that no longer exist. There's less and less and less for kids to do all the time. That gets them inside more and more and more and more.
Preschoolers all the way up to high schoolers and even adults that will be using the facilities, whether it be walking the track or other events that go on. Like, this is one of the things that will be the most impactful as far as the spread of people that it could impact.
Be able to play smoothly, to be able to get through all of our daily operations and logistics. We need to be able to have a facility that enables us to do that.
I just want to thank Dale and Julie Burghardt. Their generous donation has gotten many other people to donate, including myself. I ask anyone out there to donate.
Even if it's going to be a small donation, every donation matters to us.
We encourage you to donate to this project. We encourage you to be a part of the change that is a great sports complex and to be part of new things happening at Molalla.